Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Patty and this is a Patty Mac Knits video on the My Handmade Lifestyle YouTube channel. So thank you for being here today. I really appreciate it. Okay, we're going to unbox something today, and this is, I know it looks, how exciting, right? A few episodes back, I experimented with a little bit of yarn dyeing, and I loved it. I really enjoyed it, and I have decided that I want to try some more. So this is a package of yarn that I'm going to dye. Woohoo! So, okay. So, it's Knit Picks, and it's their Tough Puff, and I got this because it's super hard to find a speckled or hand-dyed super bulky weight, and I like super bulky weight yarns. And I have knitted with Tough Puff. I like it a lot. You know, it's 100% wool. It's not a huge skein of yarn. It's 44 yards. But, you know, it's wool and it's white and it's super bulky weight. So I thought I would try it. So that is, that's the first thing. And I bought 2, 4, 6 of them to try. Because, you know, I have no idea what I'm doing. What I'll wind up needing to do is I'll have to take it out of the skein and run it around on my my yarn swift, put it back into a hank, hank or skein, and then we'll be ready to try dyeing it. Okay, but that's not all I have today. This one is from Dharma Trading, and they're pretty well known for selling acid dyes and all that stuff. And I'm doing the acid dyes. I know people are doing avocado seeds and skins or whatever, but I'm not doing that. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, so there was a short break. You probably aren't aware of that. Alright, what did I get? What did I get? I got a bunch of dyes. I got several dyes. I bought everything in a 1/2 ounce size, which is quite a bit. I got some yarn. So let's see. I'll open those. Let's just get everything out of the box first. Why don't we? Oops. All right. And let me just first say that I have no idea what I'm doing. Absolutely none. I did that little kit from Green Designs that Judd has sent, and I loved it. I still haven't knitted with it. Oh, that's beautiful. I've been doing, working on a couple of other things. So, okay, so this comes like super well packaged. I mean, this is very nice how they sent it. Okay, here's what I got. I got this that's called Lamb's Pride Worsted, and then I got this one called Licorice Twist, because this Licorice Twist is supposed to have, like, I don't know, some kind of a strand that runs through it that takes the color different, so I don't know, you get all this like crazy stuff going on. Alright, so I got, looks like I bought, I don't even know what I bought. It's been a while since I ordered this. Okay, so I got three of these Lamb's Pride worsted. I'm just going to put the other 2 out of the way. And it looks like I got 4 of these Licorice Twist. That was also recommended by people on the site as a good, well, both of these actually were recommended as good starter yarns, first yarns for people to try out. Okay, because, you know, it is, I don't know how to get into this. Let's see. Okay, there we go. It's really well packaged. So it's nice. So if you were, if you had a dye studio, you could just kind of put this stuff in the packaging to the side, and it'll be fine. It's not going to get wet, and nothing's going to get in there. So let's see. Oh, this is huge. So it's a lot of yardage. So probably what I'm going to do is put it on the Swift and make smaller little hanks, because I think it's like 600 yards or something insane. It's a lot. So I'll split it, make it into smaller hanks to practice coloring on, because this is like a this is a learning process, and I'm kind of learning on my own as I go. But I think that's how a lot of people do it. I am looking at, I figure I'll do this stuff, and if I really like it and I get good feedback on it, I might do the class with Sweet Georgia next year. Oh, that's interesting. And I think both of these are superwash. I wanted superwash. This is nice. So you can see, like, this Lamb's Pride has a twist. Or wait, no, Licorice. Okay, Licorice Worsted has a twist. And to me, that's a really light worsted. That's more like a DK. And this Lamb's Pride is more of like a roving, which I like this kind of thing. So, all right. I can't believe I'm doing this. All right, let's look at what dye I bought. I bought just a bunch of stuff. You use just the tiniest little bit of it. Get it all out. Okay, let's see what we have. I tell you, Dharma Trading is not messing around. They really pack it well. They were out of the licorice twist when I initially ordered, so I just told them to hold on to it until everything was in stock and just ship it at one time. Okay. So I think what I'll do, we'll just go through each one and we'll see what it is. How about that? Okay, so I went all with the Jacquard dyes. I think that's kind of the standard. Okay, this is 629 Emerald. And this is 607 Salmon. 631 Teal. 617 Cherry Red. 602 Bright Yellow. 637 Gunmetal. 636 Golden Ochre. 621 Sky Blue. And 624 Turquoise. So I got, let's see, the turquoise. Let me think here. I think I bought, okay, so I bought these three. I think it was these after watching the YouTube video from Creative Bug, where she does a live dye demonstration. So basically, I'm going to try to do what she did. I'm going to take these skeins and make smaller skeins, so that I have, more individual skeins to practice on. And see what I get. So anyway, then I got this blue, the blue and the ochre. They look so much different when you use them. And this gunmetal I thought was a really pretty neutral. And yeah, the emerald and salmon, because the salmon was like a pink. I'm really into that salmony pink. So that's what I got. What I've read so far on the yarn dyeing is they say to do like, three colors in using your color wheel. And so I just thought I'll just start out with like super basic color wheel stuff and just stick to more like primaries and play and see how it is. And that's kind of where I am with it. Kristen on Woolen Vine, I have to get back and find the video, but she shared the little it's like a tea sieve or something that she uses to sprinkle on her dye for speckling. So I figure if Kristen does it and recommends it, then I probably will get a couple of those to use. I haven't figured out what I'm going to do about the respirator side of things. I'll probably just get something at Home Depot because frankly I will be doing this outside just like I did in my my other video. It's an outside project, so I think I'll be fine just wearing a basic respirator to apply the dye. And what I'm going to do is soak in vinegar first. So I'll do it a couple ways. I'll soak it in vinegar first, and then I'll try doing the creative bug method, which was basically to just sprinkle some stuff on and see what you get. And then I'd like to try the method I did in my previous video where you put the dye with the acid into like a jar or something, and you just kind of stick everything in, and of course it strikes at different levels because it's all in the water. I don't know. No idea what I'm talking about. So it's going to be a learning experience, and yeah, of course I'll film all of it. So that is the very exciting video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have tried dyeing yarn, I would love to hear what your experience has been. If you have any tips or tricks for me, I am all ears for sure. They do have some yarn dyeing classes on Blueprint, and my Blueprint membership runs through March, I think. So, yeah, basically right now I'm just trying to watch everything I can watch in Blueprint between now and when that membership is up. And when that's up, I'm probably, I don't know, I might switch to something else. I'm eyeballing the Sweet Georgia classes that she has because they look amazing. But I'd have to be really serious about this because that's a $200 annual investment. Though her courses are incredible. So, I don't know. We're just going to see. We're going to see where this goes. I don't know. But that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know what you think. What color combinations do you think I should start with? Well, I'm definitely going to do the primary ones first because that's what she used in that video. And I'm just going to try to follow along with the video first, and then I'll experiment some and we'll see what we get. Okay, that's it for today. I sure appreciate you watching, and I hope that you will subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more because I've got lots more to come, and I appreciate you being here and watching. Okay, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.